Welcome to Nom Nom Abroad. Let's take a closer look at how Mucho Burrito builds their burrito. It's actually pretty cool. And check this out. The chef starts by tossing the veggies on the grill. You can hear that sizzle right away. There's shredded beef, grilled chicken, pulled pork, all super juicy. You can tell they keep everything hot and fresh because the colors and the steam just pop. You've got the cheese, the pico, the sauces, corn, chickpeas, pickled onions, lettuce. Everything looks super fresh and bright. It's the kind of setup where you just want to try a bit of everything. Alright, so first thing, the chef warms up the tortilla. Just a quick heat on the grill, enough to make it soft and flexible. Now the rice, fluffy white rice or the heartier brown rice, depending on what you're craving. Next up are the cooked veggies, warm, soft, and they both bring a good bit of texture to the burrito. Here come the beans, black beans or pinto beans. The pinto's got a creamy texture that adds a nice contrast. Time for the beef, shredded, ground, or steak. And the shredded one has that slow-cooked, tender texture that just melts in. Now the cheese goes on, a soft, melty layer that's gonna pull everything together once it warms up. Salsa gets layered in, smooth, tangy, and bringing a clean, refreshing bite. Pickled red onions top it off, punchy, crisp, and giving the whole thing a refreshing kick. Cilantro gets added, fragrant and fresh, a classic staple in Mexican flavors. A drizzle of sauce goes over the top, smooth, cooling, and giving the whole build a creamy finish. The tortilla gets folded tight, soft, warm, and hugging all those fillings into a neat little bundle before it hits the press. Onto the grill they go. The tortilla softens first, then picks up that gentle, toasty crisp on the outside. Inside this quesadilla, juicy chicken, soft black beans, and a layer of melted cheese holding everything together. Hitting the press, the tortilla starts to toast, the cheese inside softening into a creamy layer. Once it comes off the press, the shell has that toasty bite, and the filling blends into a warm, creamy mix. This beef burrito hits with juicy seasoned beef, warm fluffy rice, and soft beans all wrapped in a warm tortilla. Thanks for watching, and if you're into food videos that actually make you hungry, make sure you hit that subscribe button.